Okay guys, we're going to look at the small account. It's just coming to the end of the month and the last trade, which I'm probably going to kill off in just a moment because I've done more than I need. Roll the intro, I'll set the charts up and I'll show you. And a warm welcome, one and all. And Winky's just brought the coffee, because you're a lovely girl.
Yeah.
You're a nice girl, you aren't you?
I am.
Do you think you might actually get dressed in one of these videos?
Yeah, I'm going to get dressed in a minute.
You're going to get dressed in a minute. So I'll pause the camera and I'll go watch that. No, sorry. Let's watch the charts and see what's going on. I actually just want a pound or something out of this morning. Don't want a great deal. Kind of explain why. I'm just kind of chugging along. It's the last trade of the month for it. Just drop this back onto September. What we can see, I only want it to grow by 25%, which is colossal, by the way. But on a small account, it's doable. And we've done 44%. We have smashed it. We have put £88 onto this. A few little swaps and commissions, etc. But that's given me 44 quid from £200 this month, because we started it off for a Christmas challenge, as we can see here. Set the account up and get a baseline of 250 end of month, which is what's been done. The baseline is where I don't want the account to go below. It just means I've got a bigger account to start with in October tomorrow. Now if I flick this back, this sheet is excellent. It works everything out for me. Position sizes, whether it's max, super, push the board out. If I'm splitting, you name it, it works it out for me. It's really good. Let me just push this up here out of the way. And what we can see, we're at 221. Our goal is, actually we're going to close it now. Right, so that's it done. And it is 199. I can live with 199. Okay, so pull this back into shot, which is here. Drop our extra in. Now you'll notice there's a big jump here because I had a holiday. I was off. So not only have I smashed the target, I wasn't here for a week of it, because I literally just shut down. And I'm going to start doing that a little bit more often, where I don't take a laptop with me, I just have a break. 199, just onto there, and it is this one. Now if I just copy that down, it was short. I'm okay this morning, actually. I'm in quite a good mood.
Makes a change.
Shut up, you. And it was the surge down that I was looking for. Okay, so that's ended the month with a profit split of me for 45 quid. So I'm quite happy with that. So what do I do with this 45 quid? How do I start this? Well, if we flick this back over, you'll see there's the balance, 288.91. And just if you're aware, we are using a Black Bull hedge account. And if you want to follow this journey, it's down below in the description. But let me just fire up the wallet. Give me a second, I'll just pause while I log in. That's it. Didn't really want to show you my passwords, etc. So this is the wallet we're going to start filling up. Now I can either put it in my US dollar or my pound, but we're going to fill up the pound. So what you do is an internal transfer. Look for the source. Well, it's that Christmas fund here. And we're going to send it to here. Just like so. And then as per the sheet, I'll pop that back up so you can see it. It's telling me my wage for this month was £45. Now, if I take £45, it means the baseline would be below 250, which is what I'm after. So what I'm going to take is £38. Okay, so I'll take 38.91 and it'll leave that at 250. He says. So 38.91. Kabush. Proceed. Just like so. And then if I look back to the account, it's 250. So what I've done is I've actually taken money out, and that is there. 31.91 was taken out of the account, and I've now got 250 to start next month. So I was paid and I increased the account, which is essentially what we're trying to do. And then I'm going to build up that wallet. So all I need to do now is just put on there that I took out 38.91. There we go. It adjusts everything down to 250, and I'm ready to start next month. So that's all ready. I'm going to leave my rules as they are, and what we're looking for is a new target this month. What do I think is a reasonable target to put in? Well, I think if we go for about 20% again, that's 50 quid. That works out not too bad. So we're looking at 50. So in this month, so we'll just change that to 1 and then put in there what we're after, which is £50. There we go. We're looking for 231 a day to gain 50 quid, and we're going to get that up to 300. That's the aim for the month. So in October, get the baseline to 300. That's all I want to do, and try and hold trades longer. Right, so what you can see here is exactly what we're up to, where we're at, and it's telling me what my wages are, what it's grown, what the gross is, because the gross is something you want to keep an eye on, because obviously if you're taking money out, you're not going to know where you are. So we know that's how much we've made, and that'll be the year-end balance. Okay, but I think 44% is not too bad. Happy days, happy days, happy days. So I'm set and I'm ready for this month. Bing bang boom. Happy with that? Do you want to go on holiday? Got Benidorm to look forward to soon.
Not long.
Not long. End of this month. The Scruffy squad are flying over into Benidorm. We're going to have a classroom in the sun. Booked a hotel for them. Going to sit down. We're going to go through, wear the scruff, and then have a jolly time in the sun. Isn't that a great community to be part of? And I'm very proud of you guys, and I'm so happy that you're coming out to see us. So there we go. Small account is off and running, and it's doing quite well. So as always, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.